Back again, man. What's good, everybody? You already know APX trading stream. This is where you come to get your economic data, news, chart setups, and everything else. So we had some good economic data. We had good CPI. We had good CPI. So that was good economic data. If I look to see, um, of course, CPI year over year, um, and then just regular CPI. So both of those came in pretty good. If I look at Tesla is the highest stock by dollar volume, so Tesla has a lot of volume in it. It's at a key level as well for it to move. Um, AMD is up there. So um, shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. But yeah, but let's go ahead and look at these chart setups, man. See what I got for you guys today. And today we're on the fourth screen. Today we are on the fourth screen. So you guys can see my chart. You guys can see kind of the four setups that we are looking at. I want to see if I can. But so yep, these would be four trades that I'm looking to take. Um, and you got United Healthcare down crazy, man. United Healthcare is down crazy, dog. Like I think they're down. United Healthcare is at 340. Let me see. Uh they are just going through it, bro. They are just going through it. If I had to, yeah, this is not good for them. This is not good. But they should turn around at market open. They should turn around at market open. But I mean, if they push any lower, you talking about 2008, 1987 type territory for you, United Healthcare. Um, so they're gonna have to get it together, man. They are going to have to get it together. Um, they're going to have to get it together. They just suspended their 4 year guidance, and that's never good. Um, so so Yeah, but um, but yeah, man. This I would say this if I'm doing like a recap of because what is May, so I mean January, February, March, April, May. So we coming up on the second quarter. We're in the second quarter of the year, almost coming to a close in June. So if I'm just looking back, man, 4 months in the market, or no, 5 months in the market, this year, I think it's been pretty good. It's been like a rough ride. It's been kind of rough. Um, I mean, we had a correction, and we had a bear market as well for a little bit. We definitely touched the bear market, hitting 20%, 25% on Nasdaq. So, um, that was I know for most people, whew, it was scary, right? But that's when you gotta take advantage. And then the crazy thing is how fast we went up. So I always tell you guys, if something goes up really fast, we're gonna come down. If something goes down really fast, we should inevitably go back up quick as well. So it's really just the speed of what happened that I think probably gave a lot of people fear. But yeah, yeah. I'm also looking at a list too, LYFT. This more so on the daily chart though. Um, yeah, to go short on this for sure. And I'm like, why did I not look? I did not get no alert. I didn't get any alert at all. I'm like, why did I not get an alert? But whatever. To each his own, right? But yeah, man. You know, definitely we got this nice big gap fill that we have to this gap that we have to fill here. So, you know, that's another catalyst for us to push the downside. Um, but yeah, man, like it's it's the market like United Healthcare, man, they are down 25% year to date. 26% over a 1 year period. United Healthcare, they replaced their CEO like ever since they never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, never mind. But where are we? In July. I mean, we're in what, May, June, July. So let me see. Let's do about but yeah, um, just looking pre-market, we haven't really moved much, so we definitely gonna have to be patient for sure. But I think Mondelez, because today will probably be like a um because the market we had CPI, but I mean the market really hasn't moved that much. I like we moved a little bit to the upside, but not much. But we shall see. We shall definitely see. Um, But but I will say, looking at CPI, this was kind of like the first look that most people were trying to see if basically if tariffs were kind of like causing any inflation. But I mean, we're gonna have to wait till the next report to see for sure. Yeah. But um and then for a lift, and then from a technical aspect, this would be amazing. Risk reward ratio is 1 to 7, so that's amazing, man. Amazing, but it really like right here. So I mean, still 1 to 5. That's ideal. That's what we look for, 1 to 5. But on a technical aspect, but that's kind of what it's looking like for Lyft. But I'm kind of going back and forth between Lyft and Amgen. I definitely want to take a trade on Amgen to the downside, just because everything going on with healthcare, everything like United Healthcare stock is dropping. They're down crazy. So if we can rise up here, just keep following the momentum to the downside. And we keep hitting this level. You see, we tried to break through here. We had a fake out. So if we can push up here, get a definitely get a trade, a swing trade to the downside on that. So that would be good for us for sure. That would be good. T-Mobile looks good too, to the upside for sure. Like we got this gap to fill on T-Mobile to the upside, and then this looks like a broadening slash bull flag. Because T-Mobile is still in a heavy uptrend, so this would just definitely be a bull flag because we are literally near the top. Near the top. I think we are. How far away are we? I mean, yeah, like 15%, almost 20% off the high. So we're not that, like we're not near the top, but we're still generally trending upward on this asset. And if I just look at our little heat map, Let's see. Even this here. We might come up and feel this little gap here. But Trump. So this is live. So Trump, well, the United States and Saudi Arabia, to sign some deals going over, I think, defense, economics, I believe. So, that's good. That's good. Yeah, man. You got what, 7 minutes to open? Nobody covers tariffs like Bloomberg. That's a nice little tagline. Let's see, man. Let's see. Bitcoin is up today. We are up almost 1% on Bitcoin today. And Bitcoin, it was interesting to see kind of Bitcoin push to the downside. Yesterday, as kind of the market kind of went up. So, it was interesting to see that. Very interesting to see that. And see, just it's Bitcoin. I'm trying to understand and see the difference between, there's a correlation between the market and Bitcoin, right? There's a correlation there, but sometimes Bitcoin trades with the market, sometimes it trades against the market. So, it's just, one of those things that we got to pay attention to. One of those things that we have to pay attention to. Where is my? I guess it's not showing up because it's not on the 2 hour, but I guess to each his own, right? But even if I was to here, there, and then um, yep. So um, Russell is up. S&P is up a little bit. I mean, we generally might push up today. Just in a general sense, but I think how many Robinhood commercials I'm gonna see? Robinhood, bills, all type of stuff, man. Like, let's see. We got 1 minute till market open. So 1 minute, and then we shall see. Y'all hear that bell? Y'all hear that bell, man? Let's see if we get a slight push up here on lift. Mondelez, we getting close. Um, Mondelez should touch today. Um, mm, Mondelez looking good for sure. A long, and then lift. I mean, we just waiting, being patient for it to come up and hit this level again. But Mondelez definitely looks good for sure. Coming down here, pushing down. S&P slightly up, Nasdaq slightly up. So we kind of flat today, kind of flat all around. But yeah, man, it's looking pretty, like, I would say mixed. I mean, we're up 0.33% on Nasdaq, 0.05% on S&P. The Dow is down almost 0.5%. So you know, that's not bad. But um yeah, today's kind of like a little chill day so far. So far, I think we might get like a slight rise, but um for the most part, man, it's just chill for the most part. So this over, we might, but man, we getting close on Mondelez, so very close. Um, um, see. Look. Um, so Leo, we'll get you a doggy door, bro. What's up, Leo? Give me 1 second, Sean. All right, I'm back. Had to get little Leo back on his spot. We close, man. We close. I mean, on Lyft. So if you look at Lyft, we're close. Mondelez, we're close, and Newmont, we're getting close. On this one too. So we really just being patient, man. Just sitting, being patient. But Mondelez would be the one that we would probably take. Here soon. Just waiting for us to get that last little push down. To hit this level and get that alert. But you see, like this is always usually good. Like just seeing that we're rejecting from this level. I definitely like that. Lyft we rejected from this level, and the market is generally pushing up. So we're up over 0.5% on Nasdaq, 0.2% on S&P, and we're down almost 0.4% on the Dow. So it's not bad. Not bad. Mm, change. But getting close, man. I'm on the lease. Yeah, what is this? 520. Yeah. So yeah, man, we should go ahead and get this trade in on Mondelez for sure. We still being patient on it, obviously. Definitely have to wait and be patient. But what I'm definitely looking for is when we come down and we hit this level, I want to see us have like a volume increase, a little bit of a volume increase to push us up. Um, but yeah, we shall see. But we just gotta stay patient and wait for us to hit this level. And I think the probably like the price would be around that we would get it at would probably be around 520. So I mean size accordingly. However many contracts. I usually try to get around 4. That allows me to scale out. Take once you're up 20% in profit, move your stop loss to break even. That way you make sure you don't lose any money on a trade. But this is looking good. it's looking good. So we just continue to stay patient, just wait and let us hit our target. But yeah, man. Yep. Almost. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. Um, whew. Yep. So I got filled on this. So I'm in this contract. 20% stop loss. So now we just wait and be patient. And let the trade play out. And do what it does, man. But um, definitely. I always try to like analyze um, how I am during the trade. So I think good patience, good discipline, good execution, just being patient and waiting down to the entry point. But um yeah, we shall see for sure. Just wait, be patient. And usually like it'll take us around, I don't know what. This was March 19th. So we pushed up March 28th. So that was around how many trading days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So around 6 trading days. This one took us what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So around 6 trading days there. And then this one they had earnings. So obviously this one isn't as relevant, but yeah. And even I could have do this a little bit better, just a tiny bit better, I would say. Um, to here, I mean, nonetheless, the entry still right around that level. But minor leagues looks good, man. Minor leagues looks good. Um, yep, minor leagues looks good. Um, so the next one I would be looking to take would probably be Newmont. Lyft hasn't really came up and hit this level. Again, like I wanted it to, and then we still just being patient on T-Mobile as well. So, um, but yep. Hmm. Mm-mm, mm, 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 mm. Like in United Healthcare, man, they're down. So they're down 13.5%. Gosh, like that gotta hurt. That has to hurt. Mm, I look on sneaker more. But um mm, 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 mm. But, looking to see Rigetti. I told y'all about RGTI, man. So they missed earnings today, and they dropped about 10%. It hurts drop. Okay, Hurts dropped 20%. Bill Ackman had his stake in it, and then that pushed it up, and then now they are coming back down. But um, and if I look at this, and we shall see. Mondele's trying to push down, but we shall see, man. We shall see. Let's say 64, 64, 19, 64. But yeah, we shall see, man. Probably get the contract. I'm down 8%. 8%. Um, but I mean, we getting down there, man. We're getting down there. Five. Look. Mm, mm, mm. 40, 540. So 432. 432 should be your stop on Mondelez, like the dollar amount. 432. 432. We're at 495 right now. So I mean we still down what, 8%. So we gotta hit that 20% threshold. But um we just gotta wait it out and see, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth touch here. And you know, this may be a situation like this, but um again, time will tell, man. So we shall see. But just have that stop in place. But we are, yeah, market creeping up. We're up 0.78% on NASDAQ and point 3.4%. That's good for the total. Yeah, man. We creeping up. We almost at 1% on NASDAQ. So let's see. Yeah, let me look at NVIDIA. Let's see. NVIDIA's up. Oh, so 127. Tesla's up today too. So 320. But NVIDIA's up 5% today. 5%. So that's good, man. That's good. Yeah, you see we pushing up on NVIDIA. breaking out of this, and this is literally like this. Okay, this same pattern on the video that you see is like the same pattern on T-Mobile. So how Nvidia broke out to the upside with this pattern here, that's basically what we're looking for on T-Mobile when it does come down here as well for that setup. But Cafe is looking good, man. Let's see. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla. I mean, we had a key resistance point, but if we can get over that, I think we'll be in the clear on Tesla. I think the pain will be over for a while, man. The pain will be over for a while. So, yeah, man. If we can get above this level, so like 330-ish, 330-ish, we go back to 360. So, I mean, that'll obviously be good, man. Yeah, that would be good. But I'll look at then Mondelez, we are down. We're down 2% now. Looking at the contract, down 2%. So, you know, it's fighting. It's fighting. It's trying to fight. It's trying to fight. But and then Amgen is trying to push up just a little bit. Amgen trying to fight. Push off this level. It's been struggling at this level though. It's definitely been struggling at this level, man. So but yeah. We got a nice rejection. Nice rejection from this level. But yeah, man. This is the fourth Robinhood commercial I've seen today. Fourth one. But man, we just sitting here. We literally just sitting here. Come on, Mondelez. You know, you want to be nice to us. You want to be nice. You want to give us a little push. Give us a hug. Give us a hug. No, no, nah, man. But if I mean, we down. I'm back down around 9% on Mondelez. 9%. So I mean, we still fighting. We still in there fighting. But you know, just looking at the chart, again, it might be one of these situations where we just have a fake out, or I mean, we could be breaking out to the downside too. That's obviously a real possibility. We could be breaking out to the downside, but we shall see. We shall see. For now, We continue to push down, but what are we up? 1% on Nasdaq, 0.45% on S&P. So risk off assets are going down and risk on assets are going up. It's crazy. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Dollar also getting weaker too. I think somebody asked me that a minute ago. Um, mm, man, let's see. We got about 12% on minor league, so we got 8% more to go for us to hit our stop. See if we hit our stop, but yeah, man, we just letting it play out. Let it do what it does. News came out. Trump administration is cutting 450 million in grants from Harvard. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Like, but man, we are. Let's see. Bitcoin is still not up over 1%. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is like sometimes it goes up when the market goes up. Sometimes it goes down when the market goes up. Sometimes it goes up when the market goes down. It's just one of those. I mean, it has like a. It just does not too much. It's just weird. It's weird correlation. But yeah, we up 1% on Nasdaq, and we are up 0.5% on S&P. So that's good. Nvidia pushed up. Microsoft is up, man. Microsoft is up to 450. Amazon is up another 2.5% today. So that's amazing. That's amazing. Uh, some sleeper companies some sleeper companies are up. Good. Mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. Um, some big movers today for sure are Amazon, Tesla, and Nvidia for sure. For sure. Nvidia is up 4%. Amazon's up 2.5% today. Palantir's up over 4%. Hims is up 10% today. 146% year to date. 400% in the past year. Like, boy. But yeah, man. We still fighting. We still fighting. I'm down about 13%. So we got 7 more% to go if we to hit our stop loss. Um or but we shall see, man. I think in the next, if I look at look, NDLC. Let's see. Um yeah, today is usually like the worst day for Mondelez, a Tuesday. So I mean it's typical for it to come down. But I mean that's the ideal when you want to buy during the worst time. And then it usually goes up on a Thursday. Goes up on a Thursday and a Monday too. So like Wednesday going to a Thursday. But it really depends. I think if we have some more, what tomorrow is Wednesday, so we really won't have anything economically that'll push the market. We might have something geopolitically maybe that'll push the market, but tomorrow will really kind of be like a um kind of offsetting day. I think maybe some mean reversion. So we shall see, but definitely Thursday. You got jobless claims, retail sales, PPI, and industrial production, capacity utilization, business inventories, home builder confidence index. So depending on how that data comes in, I think if that data is not the best, then I definitely think you'll see Mondelez push up for sure because it's a risk off asset. And then Indian, that's like a gold type of company. So you'll see them push up. And then Amgen, I mean Amgen, they just a part of that healthcare space that's just getting a hammer. So I think when they hit their level, they'll push down for sure too. But we shall see. But Coinbase was added. Coinbase is up 15% today, man. So that's good, and that's obviously good for Bitcoin. I'm not a Coinbase fan. I'm not a Coinbase fan. Um, I'm not, but for Bitcoin, I mean I can't be like uh negative on Coinbase and positive on Bitcoin. They go hand in hand. I just don't like Coinbase as the company itself. I think it's better places for you to put your money, like Robinhood, MicroStrategy, exposure to Bitcoin itself. IBIT is one. Um, IBIT has 90% correlation to Bitcoin, so that's probably the closest thing you're gonna get. MicroStrategy has an 85% correlation to Bitcoin. So um, if you want a little bit more volatility in your portfolio, MicroStrategy is good. But if you want a little bit safer option, you can still get a good return out of IBIT. You can still, I mean, I think the time to buy it was probably a month or two ago. But you can still get a good return on it. So yeah, we pushing up just a little bit, man. We got like some movement here. Seeing if this volume pushes up, man, on Mondelez. But we just fighting on it. We fighting on it. Um, we just being patient and just letting the trade play itself out. But looking across the board, man, to like today, um, um, yeah, man, today. So a lot of healthcare. Whew, healthcare is down crazy, man. Healthcare is down crazy. So you definitely want to be short healthcare for sure. But the best companies are gonna still perform. Uh, Lilly is up. There is a pick in Apex that I will not say. In the healthcare space is up. Another company in the healthcare space that's a pick in Apex is up today. So the good companies are going to continue to perform. This environment is really for, I think. I really think in this environment you are just like, it's either you are you're doing well or you're not. I think that's really the the just, man. So I think that's really what I think. If you do well, I think if you beat earnings, you have good guidance despite the tariff outlook. I think your company is going to continue to do well. But you know, I've been saying it for a while. With RFJK coming in, just God to know how that's going to affect the healthcare space. And it's continued to affect it negatively. I mean, healthcare was down last year too. Um, so, but I mean, that's where if you're trying to get some, if you were trying to do amazing, that's where you want to be. I know it's not. It don't feel good, but that's where you want to be. Novo, Novo will be fine. They just, if Novo was an American company, they would not be down like how far they are. They would not be down. Sometimes you get punished for not being an American company, especially in times of turmoil, where a lot of institutions will favor American companies over other companies. That's just my theory/opinion, but I think it holds true. I mean, if you look at ASML versus NVIDIA, AVGO, I mean, AMD fell a lot, but AMD is just they're having some issues. So, but ASML is one of the most important companies. If not up there with, if it's up there with TSM and NVIDIA. So, but yeah, man. Um, Now I'm not gonna lie though, this fight between Harvard and Trump is kind of crazy. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But yep. Um, let's see, minor leagues kind of pushing back up, man. But we still got some ways to go before we hit our target. But um, you know, we just Again, just letting it play out, man. But um, PE Bears secretly sales discounted. Oh my God. Some stocks that I miss, oh man, some of them I just be like, please let me get that, please. But oh, 165, boy, 165 to 288. Come on, guy. Come on, dog. Mm, Um, okay, so Saudi Arabia is planning to invest 600 billion in the United States. That's from the White House. Um, and they have a defense sales agreement worth nearly 142 billion. So, Palantir to the moon. Like, to the moon. Yeah, man. Um, yeah, this is insane. Um, um, update on my leads. I'm down what 3.7%. So I mean, we fighting, man. We fighting. It's fighting. It's definitely fighting. It's definitely fighting. My account is up 1% today, so it's my account is generally like pushing up. So that's a good sign. Always a good sign when you open the account to green. Um, Nvidia, man, boy, hitting that button, hitting that button. Let me see. Good question. But yeah, no. Um, but yeah, man, this good question, great question. But this is Bank of America plans 150 new locations. Another Robinhood commercial. Okay, how many times am I gonna? How many times am I gonna see this commercial? They getting that marketing in crazy. They spending that money on it. That's the Bitcoin profit. They spend that money on that advertising. But um, but man, that's all I got for you guys today on stream, man. Um, but you guys can try set us, man. Make sure you guys, take a picture of this. Um, save these charts so you can use them. Again, I want to let you guys know this is my last week streaming, so I'm gonna just give you guys the chart setups on Alpha Investing. I'll give you guys one setup a week. If you are in Apex, you guys will get the rest of the setups. Um, so, and again, my biggest thing, I want you guys to execute on the information that you need, and not necessarily have to do anything more than that. So, um, it doesn't really take you for sure. Appreciate you, Brenda. Appreciate you. Um, but yeah, man. But everybody have an amazing day. Having a wonderful, amazing day. Um, and again, you guys see the triceps, man. We still waiting on Mondelez. We fighting back and forth there, but let's see. This is looking so far to be like a fake out. They tried to fake us out. Tried to fake us out, but you know, just let the trade play out, man. Don't panic sell. Don't get emotional about it, and then just literally let it play out. Let it hit the stop loss or to take profit. It's gonna do one of the two. One of the two. So just being patient on it there still. But again, everybody have an amazing day, man. We are pushing up. We're at 1.3% on on NASDAQ and 0.75% on S&P. So the market is generally trending up today. You might have like a slight pullback tomorrow, maybe potentially on a Wednesday, but we shall see, man. But again, everybody have an amazing day, man. An amazing day. Have an amazing week. And keep being great, man. I'm proud of you guys for sure. I'm super proud of you guys. But um, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Central Time to around 9:30 Central Time, AM. So I will see you guys then.